Well, I drove all day today, so looking to make some food which is quick and easy. And what's quick and easy is some cabbage with eggs. Believe it or not, I never had it at any restaurant or anything like that. But I love fried cabbage. Can be very tasty. Yeah, I don't think that's enough. I'm gonna put it in the pan just to see how much more I need. All right. But when I was growing up in Russia, I remember that cabbage was pretty popular in all kinds of forms. For example, we used you very rarely see it here, but you know, they take leaves of cabbage and then they stuff them inside with some like rice and beef. That one is pretty popular in Russia. Okay, how's that? Or should be. And then when it gets warmed up, it's gonna reduce in volume. So this will be perfect. But one recipe I saw, they said you don't have to cut it into these small pieces. You can just do, you know, make them long. But I'm not a cook, right? So I'm just doing something that's quick and easy. Okay, so that should be enough. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do, I got some mushrooms. It's been a while since I had them or cooked them myself. All right, so this should be good. Should probably, this was just to measure how much I need to cut. So now I'm just gonna warmed up, and I'm using Gallo extra virgin olive oil. And then they say it takes about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And then we're gonna put some eggs on top when the cabbage is almost ready. And I'm gonna scramble them. Yeah, probably 3 is enough. This should be good wine. Lindemann's Merlot. And it's best not to, you know, move it all the time. You need like a few minutes so that it starts cooking. So now once it's hot, I'm gonna reduce it from high to medium. By the way, this pan did not come with any cover, so I had to buy this separately on Amazon. Just measured the diameter, but it works. It makes food cook faster, you know. Maybe I should add a bit more oil. That's it. The cabbage is already soft. It's pretty much cooked. Now I just need to wait till the eggs are done, and they should not take long because of the cover. I just don't like, when I cook for myself, I don't like to stand over. Like, that's why I like baking. My favorite means of cooking is baking, because you just set the timer as long as you know the proper temperature and the time it takes, and you can always Google this. That's it. You just go watch TV or drink beer. You don't have to worry about stirring this. So this is a bit more complicated, but almost there. As soon as the eggs, oh, and it already smells pretty nice. I should probably reduce the heat to medium, not to overcook it. But there you have it. Try it. I know many people, for some reason, they don't like cabbage, but I don't think that vegetable deserves this attitude. It can be pretty, tasty when fried. Well, like I said, you can try using the leaves and make kind of like a dumpling, except it's usually like round, and just put some rice and rice, onions. I think my mom used minced meat. It was super tasty, but because it takes a long time, those things, so she usually she'd only do it on some holidays. But this, she never did this. She never did cabbage with eggs. Usually what they would do is, instead of cabbage, we would use potatoes, like diced potatoes. But this is way healthier, less carbs, less sugar, and I'm not gonna use any bread or anything like that. I'm just gonna eat it like this. So this plus some Australian wine should be a good supper. Okay, I think the eggs are pretty much done because they're not runny anymore. Yeah, I think we're good. Now we can just turn this off. Maybe let it stand for a couple minutes, and then it can be served. See, the cabbage already started burning. But that's okay. This actually will give it a bit more flavor. And that's it. That's my dinner or supper for today. Cheers! A simple recipe, all natural ingredients, nothing extra, no BS, no rice, no potatoes, just cabbage and eggs and some red wine. Thanks for watching.